In this video, we're going to put together the two elements Na and S into an ionic compound. We know it's an ionic compound because Na is a metal and S is a nonmetal. So when you put together a metal and a nonmetal, you get an ionic compound. Since it's an ionic compound, what we're going to do is we're going to organize our elements next to each other in two columns. So Na and then S close to each other. Then we're going to look at the ions or the charges of each of these things. If you look at a periodic table based on the ions, then Na is +1 and S is -2 or 2 minus. So we're going to write that down on the paper. Na is +1, S is 2 minus. Eventually we want all of this to equal 0, because most stable compounds will equal 0. To do that, we have to find the common multiple between +1 and -2, or 1 and 2. To find the common multiple, the easiest way is to say 1 times 2. The 1 comes from the +1 of the sodium, and the 2 comes from the 2 minus of the sulfur, equals 2. So this 2 means that this side, the sulfurs, should add up to -2, whereas this side, the NAs, should add up to +2. Again, +2 and -2 adds up to 0. That means -2 or 2 minus on this side already adds up to -2. But here, the Na, we only have +1, so it doesn't add up to +2. What we need to do is put another positive, and every positive goes along with an Na. So +1 + 1 equals +2. Now what we do is we count up the number of each element we have in these columns. For Na, you have 1, 2. The compound will be Na2. S we only have 1 of, so we put S. The ionic compound that includes Na and S is this, Na2S.